All right, let's install some carpet in this little studio apartment. Let's see, where can I carry this? Let's try it on here. Let's try it on there. Get some staples in the gun. Yeah, I want to take these doors off. I don't have my hammer and pry bar here. All right. Let's wrestle. Looks like tall enough clearance to get this. All right, how much do I need to reach the back? That's good. Nice. All right, door, what's it gonna be? Gonna open over this or not? Thank you very much. Yeah, we got plenty of clearance. Steady. Steady, Hercules. I'm going to put another piece of tackless in front of that. Get up there. Hit a staple. There goes my blade. Hit two staples. The blade's definitely shot now. Eek. It's not a staple. Hopefully it's a phone wire. Because nobody uses phones anymore. Used to be a thing. I'd cut phone wires. Nah, that's a heavy duty knife. Could be the thermostat. That wouldn't be cool. I don't think I even scored it. The rug's only going to reach to there. I'm going to need to staple that edge down. All right, might as well tell you folks, you got to stretch your padding. Once you install it on one side, you got to stretch it. You got to kick it up, stretch it. You leave your padding loose, it'll buckle under the carpet. Customers don't like buckled carpet. Come on, blade, hang in there. So far, so good. That wire's coating wasn't enough to ruin my blade. All right, I'm going to need to install tackless over here. I got to cut this far away enough for the wood strips. Let's just staple the seam. When you staple the seam, you go alternating. And you run out of staples. I can't play the radio and record with my phone at the same time, but it's advised to play music while you do carpet. Get in there. All right. Stitch this up and go get the rug. All right, let's not be lazy. Clean these scraps up real quick. Carpet's in my other truck. I gotta go get it. It's a nice little studio on this house. Little honeycomb hideout. Nice house. The way taxes are, you need to rent a room just to cover the bills. This can stay here. Customer paid for the whole roll of carpet. I guess I should leave it here for him. Okay, there's his balance piece. Let's get the rug.